Pull him in. What? Pull him in, Kelly. Oh, you mean? Oh, yes. Woo! Damn.
What's going on, beautiful people? Welcome back to Keegan Lifestyle TV. Yeah, so today we decided that we're going to do a little bit of fishing. We'll go up on the water, get some fish. So we'll get a little bit of fishing gears first. We're going to stop by Walmart. We're actually at Walmart right now. So we're going to grab like 2 fishing rods and some hooks and a few other things. And then we're going to head on the journey. I'm going to see what I go on. Let's go. I had this exact same one before. This one right here. Mm-hmm. It lights up, and then whenever you get like a little pick, a little bite.
But it's not working because
Yeah, stop working after a while. But that's what on.
$71.
$71? No, I don't go fishing that often, guys. So I don't need something that expensive. I'm looking for something maybe. Oh yeah, this right here.
That's a tiger.
Yeah, this one is decent. You know, it's $22. Yeah, $22. So I think I'm gonna get 2 of these. This right here. I don't need anything more because
those work well.
yeah. So we're gonna get some hooks, some sinkers, and a few other things, and then on the sewer go on. Yeah. Hold the Andra.
Oh, $2. Alright. Hotel fee that makes it so far.
Alright, so all this stuff came up to $60, $61. That's a lot of money. A lot of money. So what going for your camera, Kelly? What going? Hi, they can't hear you.
Hi.
All right, guys, so we just made it to our fishing destination. All right, so we're just gonna set up our fishing rod, and then I'm gonna let y'all see exactly how the day is going. So this is our little spot right here, our little secret spot. Oh yeah. All right, y'all, so we're gonna show Kaylee how to use a fishing rod. All right, Kaylee, forward. All right, so this is what you're gonna do, right? So you're right-handed, so whenever you're standing like right here, but you need to give yourself a lot of space, right? So you gotta hold it right here, look, like right here. Hold it like this, and you're gonna hold it like this. Look at me. So, and then you're gonna pull this up towards you, but keep holding onto this. Then you're gonna throw the rod towards the water, but you're not gonna release your left hand, you're gonna release the right hand. All right? Then pull it up, and we're gonna throw. Just like that, lock it, and wait for your bite. Once you start biting and they hold on to it, you just, I'm like, oh my God, yes, I have one, a big one on the line. Yeah. Yeah, so that's it. You get it? All right. So let's get a bait. I'm gonna get a bait real quick. You wanna grab it? You're not afraid of the shrimp, right? Okay. All right. Let's grab one. Grab the shrimp. You want fishing, so you gotta grab it. Just grab it with your hand.
God, they're alive.
Yeah, they're alive, so just grab one.
It's moving.
I know, but just grab one. And then we're gonna do it again. Let's see. You think we're gonna catch a fish on the first throw? No? You're not confident, man. You gotta be confident. Anything you're doing, you gotta be confident. All right? I think we're gonna catch a fish on the first one, on the first throw. Let's see. Watch it, watch the stick right there, because you don't want it to lodge in all that stuff. Careful.
You sure how to hold on?
Yeah, I show her how to hold it. Oops. All right. Hold on. Don't move. Just lock it. Reel it in. Yeah, if you drop too close, it's gonna be lodged in the rocks and stuff. You don't want that. So don't let it go yet. Come here. Come over here. Come over here. Yeah, cause the tree is too close. Come. And you gotta be careful how you're stepping on the rocks, okay? Yeah, next time you wear sneakers. So this one, come stand over here, behind me. Yeah, go over there. All right, stop right there. So this way you have more space on your right side, all right? So we're gonna do it again. And you're gonna toss it real hard. Here. Put your hand up here, so. Right? Hold on, man, this is good. And then you're gonna release it like that. And then when you throw it out, then that's when you release that. Go. Yeah, that's better. Lock it in now. Reel it up a little bit. All right, that's good. Pull him in. What? Pull him in, Kaylee. Oh, you mean? Woo! Oh, that's a stingray. We don't want that. We don't want that one. We're gonna get him off. Wait, we're gonna get him off. Hold on. It's heavy, yeah, I know. Yeah, they're strong. Just hold on to the line for now. A little, yeah. But baby one, leave it in the water. Leave it in the water. I'm gonna get the line off. Just leave it like that. Yes, guys, so Kaylee caught a stingray earlier, but we had to throw it back in the water. That's not our type of fish that we're looking for. I'm not even, well, it is edible, but yeah, that's not for us. Woo! You like that? So that throw all the way out. Big fish now. Hopefully. Yeah, bring it back through, like maybe the head right here. Yeah. But try not to expose the hook like that. But it's good. That's good for now. Throw it out as far as possible. The weather is not so perfect, but it's good. It's good today, so yeah, man, we'll come on the water, hold our vibes, and just try to catch some fish. If we don't catch anything, then we'll just go back home. That's just part of the game, Yeah, man. Bring him in. Oh, yes. Woo! Bring him in. Oh, it's a big snapper. Bring him up. Oh, yes. Oh, my God. See? That's good. This is nice, Kaylee. Oh, yeah. Look at this, guys. Kaylee caught her first big snapper. How does it feel, Kaylee?
Good.
Good?
Yeah.
Explain to the people how you feel. Just good?
I feel amazing.
Amazing? Oh my God. So this is dinner right here. This is gonna be your dinner. All right? Oh my God. All right, she gotta take a picture for the thumbnail. You gotta hold it like this. Whew. Damn.
So Keegan,
Yeah?
we fish on like the East Coast and the West Coast, right?
Yeah.
Coastline do you rather or prefer fishing on?
I rather over by the Gulf, over by St. Pete.
Really?
Yeah. As far as like, well, back then when we used to fish a lot, back
Yeah.
then that side was better as far as getting more action. But
Yeah.
nowadays, I rather come here because it's more peaceful and it's more nature. You know?
It's less effort
Yeah.
you have to put out to fish on this coast.
Yeah, that's true.
So
That's
we're
true.
on the East Coast now.
Yeah,
Yeah.
and it's different water.
Yeah.
So sometimes the tide might be low on this side, but if you go on the other side, over by St. Pete, it's different. Yeah. And you,
I think St. Pete is like really overfished.
yeah, that area, definitely. Yeah, man. So right now, me I string up at the line for like the 10th time, but that's part of the whole fishing, you know. Me not catch nothing yet, but my daughter catch a nice size snapper. So if anything, we're gonna make that for her dinner later on, or have her make it, cause you know, for cooking up people, yeah, man, a big chef. Yeah, so just keep watching the vlog, and we see what go on. Yes, guys. So it's super windy right now. It's a good thing we came a little bit earlier. Not as early as we wanted to, but you know, at least we got something. Kaylee caught one fish, one mangrove snapper, perfect size. So we're about to leave in a few minutes and go home. Once we get home, guys, I'll show y'all how I'll be cleaning the fish and all that good stuff, and then we'll. So this video is basically going to be one of those catch and cook videos. Finally, right? Yeah. So let's go. Yeah, man. So we're back home now, guys, and my fish, well, not my fish, Kaylee's fish, is already cleaned up and everything. So we're gonna add some seasoning to it, some all-purpose blend. This is gonna be quick and easy, quick and fast. Just mix it up, you know, make sure it's nice, nicely seasoned. You understand? Yeah. This one, guys, was barely over the 10-inch mark. So that's a good sign, a good thing. You know, the correct size for mangrove snapper is 10 inches. So make sure you have the correct size. You understand? So we're gonna let this probably sit for about 5 minutes. You know, wash my hands and all that good stuff. Get the stove ready. We're gonna turn it up to about high heat. Make sure it's piping hot. And then we're gonna add all of the ingredients them one time. Just keep watching and see what I'm going. All right, guys, so I'm gonna try the sauce real quick. Just to make sure it's not too salty, it's not too sweet. Wow, just right. A little sweetness, a little tanginess, a little spicy, you know? Yeah, man. It's almost ready, guys. Maybe about a minute or two more, and it should be good. We're gonna share it out, make Kaylee sample it, and make her know what I'm going. You understand? Keep watching, man. Yeah, man, so the fish is ready. Oh, yes. Remove the thyme sticks them. Pour some of that sauce on top. Wow, look at that. Nice and thick. Oh, yeah. We're gonna let you sample it, Kaylee. You be the judge. Alright? So this is it. Look at this, guys. Yeah, man. So I'm gonna get a fork. There you go. Let us know what you think, Kaylee. Let us know. Good? You like the sauce?
freshly caught, right? Fresh catch. You want to sample it, Deandra?
Yeah, just a tiny piece.
Just a tiny piece. All right, people. So Deandra, I sample it. What do you think?
Yeah.
You like the sauce, right?
Really good.
Yeah. Sauce, nice man.
That's good.
Yeah, man, this is nice. Yes, guys. So I hope you all enjoyed watching this video. If you enjoyed watching the video, please give us a like, share the video, leave a comment, and let us know what you think in the comment section. All right. So until next time, I'll see you all in the next video. Yes, guys, don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet done so. All right. Click that subscribe button, and once you subscribe, don't forget to hit that post notification bell. Turn on all notifications so that you'll be notified every time I post a new video, all right? Big up yourself. Peace. One love.